garlic.
And we got the garlic one because we don't want it too spicy. If anybody wants spice, they can add a little bit more for themselves. So here we go. And you put the whole thing. Yeah. And then we're gonna leave it in there for it to simmer and really cook.
Right, add it in.
And then we're gonna do the
Vinegar.
she said 2, right? Hey guys, so if you like our videos, go ahead, share, subscribe, and like. But this sauce, make sure to follow us. And also we are about to have the mukbang itself. So this here is when we are preparing the sauce for the mukbang. So we're going to post a video of the mukbang itself. So follow us and make sure that you are checking that video out, because there's going to be some lip smacking. Smackilicious. I mean, it's going to be seafood. We have the ingredients. We will spell it all out for you guys, what we got and where we got them from. But this is how you make the sauce, and voila. So we're going to let it simmer. And like I said, subscribe, like, and share, and comment.
This smells like making me taste it, and I remember.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.